Hello everybody, this is Mark Rollins again from TheGeekChurch, and today we're going to be reviewing a very special product. And before I forget, I want to thank Pullman Marketing for putting this on. And what's today's unboxing? Well, Hoop! There it is! Hoop! There it is! Hoop! There it is! Shaka laka 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 laka. You know what? I don't even know how the song goes. This is an unboxing review. Now you might be wondering like, hey, it's an unboxing review. Shouldn't it be in, say, a box? Yeah, I get it. This is kind of not what I think of when I think of a box. But normally I don't talk about product packaging when I do reviews. But honestly, these guys must, I don't know, talk to the same people that do, I don't know, Pringles or tennis balls. But apparently they comes in this nice cylindrical thing here. And this is kind of weird. Basically you have to do kind of a quarter turn, and then you yank it off. Oop, there it is. Okay, we're gonna wear that joke to the ground, aren't we? All right, here's the product here. As you can see, it is one of these little camera things, one of those kind of mini surveillance things. Has this piece of plastic here to kind of keep it fresh. And what I want to do is kind of show you what this is. It's made just so you can put it just down, and it comes with this app that you can use, so you can even get alerts. Like at some point it'll tell you like, it's 3 o'clock. Remember to let the dog out. Something like that. I'm serious, it actually does this. This thing is designed with almost a culture for your home or maybe even your business, but it also will recognize who you are. It'll know when you come home and when you leave. It'll know that kind of habit. Now, as far as what's in the box, I'm going to show you this little thing here. It comes with a set of instructions here. That you can get out somehow. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's cute. It's a little circle there, yeah. Anyway, it also comes with something I'm not going to take out. It's this little, there's a USB cable, and there's also a plug-in thing for that. But here's what I am going to do. I'll plug in just what I have here. I think this is just an ordinary micro, and I'll plug it in. It's very difficult to actually get it in there, but once it clicks in there, it'll click in there. And I'll show you what happens. It does this little dance thing when it actually turns on. But I will tell you this thing comes in many colors. It's just designed to be a nice security camera for the home. And it's definitely designed for those with kids. And it's definitely designed for those without kids, maybe even with pets. It's just designed to just sync with your mobile device. Oh, there it goes. As you can see, it's doing this little dance thing. And it's got this little kind of, see how it's kind of like mounted on this little swivel? And then it also can swivel up and down as well. So that is almost worth the price of for what you can get. What is the price? It's about $89.99 right now on the Hoop site. So if you're in need of one of those things in your life, and honestly, it's pretty decent. So check out my review on it at the link below. And this is Mark Rollins signing off. Or Hoop, there it is! Hoop, there it is! Hoop, there it is! Ending the review, and we're ending the review.